Should we automate away all the jobs?
Every technological revolution leads to job change, and this will be no exception.
Concerns over the rapidly expanding use of artificial intelligence.
The danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
The machines taking over is a threat for everybody. It's a threat for the Chinese and for the Americans and for the Europeans, just like a global nuclear war.
The next decade isn't about AI replacing you. It's about making you unstoppable. What if your computer could think, plan, and innovate alongside you? AI isn't just a tool, it's your collaborator. From creativity to complex problem solving, AI is set to augment your career. IBM finds 61% of CEOs are adopting AI agents today, expecting investments to more than double in 2 years. Let's explore how AI can extend human potential. Writers brainstorm faster, engineers offload repetitive coding, and analysts visualize complex data. Instantly, AI extends human potential rather than replacing it. McKinsey estimates generative AI could boost U.S. labor productivity by 0.5 to 0.9% per year through 2030. Imagine having an AI co-pilot for every task. Emerging platforms, agentic assistants, edge AI apps, and expert AI systems are enabling breakthrough productivity. Deloitte reports 47% of organizations are moving fast with generative AI, and in high-expertise firms, adoption rises to 73%. These tools are becoming the new workbench for professionals. Humans should focus on strategy, oversight, and creativity, while machines handle repetitive tasks. BCG notes 74% of companies struggle to turn AI into real business value. Skills in ethics, decision-making, and creative problem-solving are essential to harness AI effectively. Early adoption matters. Professionals who embrace AI today gain a competitive edge. IBM predicts AI spending outside IT will surge 52% next year. Start experimenting. Integrate AI into your workflows, and pair it with agentic systems to maximize impact. AI is already augmenting industries. Healthcare, AI-assisted diagnostics, logistics, drones and edge devices optimizing routes in real time, creative industries, AI accelerating content production. These tools enhance human decision-making and productivity today. Augmentation comes with responsibilities. Data privacy, bias, and ethical oversight are critical. Who is accountable when AI influences decisions? Professionals must actively govern these systems to ensure trust and reliability. Start small. Identify workflows where AI can add immediate value. Prototype, test, refine. Combine agentic AI with local edge AI systems. Your device can compute and initiate actions. Early experimentation is the key to mastery and long-term advantage. AI augmentation isn't just efficiency, it's creativity. Humans plus AI together produce ideas, strategies, and designs faster than either alone. Think of AI as a co-pilot, not a replacement. The AI-human augmentation era is just beginning. Professionals who integrate AI now will lead in innovation, productivity, and creativity. Next, we'll explore the convergence era, where AI fuses with biotech, materials, science, and energy research to accelerate breakthroughs. If you found this valuable, give the video a like, subscribe to NeuroPulse, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious, stay informed. This is NeuroPulse, decoding the future, one pulse at a time.